everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Brave browser. So to start, open Brave browser. So click on the search bar right here at the bottom and type in Brave or Brave browser and tap on open, expand it. Now in here, what you can do is to click on the three lines at the top right. Once you do that, you need to scroll down and look for delete browsing data just below extensions. So tap on delete browsing data. Now, once you do that in here, so you need to select cache images and files and also cookies and other site data. And then at the top here, you can choose last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and when you click on more, here you can choose last 4 weeks or all time. So I'm just going to click on all time. And then once done, at the bottom, you can see delete from this device. So just tap on that and it will be deleted right away. And that's basically it. So super fast. So a quick recap, you can go to the three lines right here and then just click on delete browsing data and make sure you check cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Then select 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, all time, last 4 weeks, etc. And then just tap on delete from this device. And that's basically it. That's how you can clear cache on Brave browser. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next one.